Where do you want me?
Alright, someone's going up to the
left.
left.
Watch that. Get that tank right there. Where am I going? They're left. They're real far left. It's so hard to snipe uphill.
Here, watch David.
Oh, I just got two of them over there. Is there a place over there that I can... Is there any cover over there?
No.
Jeez, man. They're upset.
Yeah.
Let me know if there's anyone over there.
You really gotta clear this out right here.
I know. Some really open.
Yes. Oh wow. Watch the right, Derek. Watch the right.
Watch the right there. Derek.
Alright. Jay!
Someone get over there. Left. Look over there.
I can't see them.
Jay, that's you.
Shh, shh, shh. Don't call Jay. Where is he?
I don't know. I can't get up because their sights are right at me.
Come on, I totally... They're right there. Wish I had a foregrip.
Or your STG.
It'd be so weird though. The cameraman must take hits. I don't know where he is.
I'm moving in quick.
Robbie, what are you doing? Is he within 50 feet?
He's right over there, yeah.
Where?
Over there. Behind us. Where is he? Go west, take that guy.
Where?
Back into the hill. He's hiding behind the tree.
Where? Where is he?
Keep looking over there. Go there. He's right there. Oh. See what's behind that tree, see? Between the two trees. Right between the two trees. See like that guy ducking behind the tree?
No, I don't see him.
Right there.
Like right there?
Yeah. Ha! I got him. Holy crap. 15 one.
Dude, they're more than 50 feet. You can get them with your sniper.
I know, that guy was like hard to hit.
Got him, got him.
Derek, where is he? He's somewhere down in that stream. Where'd Jay go?
They're behind us.
Chris runs away like a little scared little girl whenever I start firing at him.
The truth.
What's that? What's the time?
We hit like a lot of...
You got 4 minutes left.
We're all welcome back to the spawn.
4 minutes left. 4 minutes.
Nice.
That a boy! Derek, where is he?
He's straight that way.
Hey, where?
Oh my gosh, Wesley, this is low on battery.
Huh?
Low on battery.
No way. Robbie, watch the front. Tell me where they're going.
I'm doing. See him? There's another. One like that, one like that. He's at the fort.
Yeah, watch him.
Did you charge this?
Chris can't even reach us from there.
Do I see him?
Take him out, take him out.
Can't reach that far, and there's a bunch of brush in the way.
You can't reach that far?
I can reach that far, but the brush will stop me.
Chris is like, why am I not hitting you?
That was Jay. Good job, Jay!
Jay! Jay's an animal!
That's 3, baby!
He's an animal!
Damn! Run for it, run for it.
Derek.
I'll that out one more time, sir. There, I got him, I got him.
You got him? What's time? Yeah.
2 minutes.
Derek, watch the right.
He's hit, he's hit, he's hit.
Come on, how did that not hit you?
Oh, he's hit? Why are you calling hit now?
Did you see that guy trip over there?
These kids are just walking back.
Yell at 1 minute.
I see him.
Huh?
Yell at 1 minute.
No.
Oh yeah.
Is that us?
That's us.
Oh, tell me I didn't hit him.
You didn't hit him.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
It's my last mag.
It's over on 30 seconds.
Only his gun's sticking out.
Derek, is there anybody on the right?
Yeah, there's one straight ahead right there. In that fort.
It's like they gave up.
It's done. Time.
Time?
Yeah.
That's game! That's game! Game over!